Evelyn Marroquin, and I'm a rec leader with the City of Santa Maria Recreation and Parks Department. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a patriotic tray. Let's get to it. So today's kit, you will be getting some mason jars, painter sticks, blocks, some rope, jute rope, a flag, paint, some glue, napkins, utensils, a paintbrush, and some patriotic ribbon. So what is not included in the kit is your hot glue gun, your scissors, and some hot glue. Our first step, we are going to paint our wood. We are going to have 8 wooden blocks. We're gonna have 4 11.5 painter sticks, 3 11 inches of your painter sticks, and 4 shorter painter sticks. And we're gonna paint them all white, both sides, making sure that you have 2 solid coats painted. Now that we have our wooden sticks all painted white, we are gonna grab our 11 inches of our painter sticks, and this is going to be our base of our tray. And we are going to glue them to the side, just like that. Grabbing our tacky glue, we are going to glue down the sides of each one, just like so. And we'll hold it for a couple seconds while it dries, smoothing out any extra glue. And remember, this is our 11 inches of our wooden sticks. Once we tacky glued each stick together, what I like to do is I'm going to put some hot glue and I'm going to reinforce it using the bottom of my painter stick to smooth it out. And don't worry if it's a little clumpy. This is going to be on the bottom so no one will see it. Just like that. So now it's all stuck together. Now grabbing our shorter wooden blocks, we are going to evenly distribute them throughout the wooden sticks, just like so. I measured at least 3 inches. Just like that. Like that. And then we are gonna glue them as so. Right at the edge. And you want to make sure that these are even on each side. Now that we have our wooden blocks glued to our base of our tray, we're gonna add the sides. But first, let's show you how to put the ribbon on the wooden sticks. So grabbing our ribbon and our 11.5 and our shorter sticks, we are going to glue the ribbon to the sticks. For the stars, you're going to glue 2 of the 11.5 and 2 of the white and red stripes. And for our shorter sticks, we are going to do 2 of each. 2 of the stars and 2 of the red and white stripes. Grabbing our hot glue gun, we are going to hot glue the sides, just like so. Grabbing the fabric. And attaching it to the side just like that. All the way down on both sides. Once this side is all glued, make sure to hold it tight so you can get all the wrinkles out, and then hot glue the other side down. Try not to pull too hard so that the ribbon doesn't break because of the hot glue heat. And be careful, hot glue is hot, so you don't want to burn yourself. Just like that. Now that we have this excess piece of ribbon, we can cut it down so it's all even. We have our 4 pieces of wood that is wrapped in our stars, 2 large and 2 smalls. Now for our red and white stripes, you'll notice that each comes with a diagonal cut. That's going to be okay because we are going to match to the edge of the stick, just like that, and we'll glue it all the way down. And I'll show you how to piece this part after. Okay, grabbing our scissors, we're gonna cut off the excess. Just like that. Now that we have a little bit extra to cover up, we're gonna grab our extra piece of ribbon and we're gonna attach it just like so and match it up as even as we can. Gluing the top of it. Matching up the lines. And then to continue to hot glue the sides, and then we'll just cut that off. Cutting off the extra, just like that. And then you can go in and take all the little spider webs from the hot glue and make it neat. Okay, and then there is your 4 red and white stripes. Now grabbing our base of our tray, we are going to start gluing the sides of our patriotic tray. Let's get to it. Hot gluing all the way down on the sides. just like that. Don't worry about this open space right here because we will be covering that with our rope. Starting to look like a tray now. Now grabbing our stars, and we're gonna do the same thing all the way around. When attaching the stars, you're gonna make sure that it's a little bit above the wooden blocks. So you have this gap right here, okay? There's those spider webs again. Don't worry, you could always go back and make it neat and nice by taking away the spider webs, as I like to call them. To the sides. Dink. All right, and there is our tray so far. Grabbing our thicker rope, we're going to attach to each side. So now that you have your rope, you can cut to your desire of the length that you want. I think I'm going to cut it just a little bit so it's not drooping down, okay? Like that. Okay, cutting this off. Then I like to glue it down so it doesn't have that fray look. Okay, and we'll do the other side. And there's our handles. Grabbing our red, white, and blue mason jars, we are going to add our jute and wrap them around the top of each jar. Just like that. And then we'll hot glue it down. Just gives it a little bit of an extra pizzazz, don't you think? And we'll do that with the white and the blue. Okay, now we get to put everything together. We got our tray, we got our mason jars placed in just like this. Look how cute that looks, and we're not even done yet. All right, so now we're gonna grab our American flag. We're just gonna grab it in the middle, like that. We're gonna grab our utensils, like that. Grab our napkins and then place just like that. Isn't that just so cute? And it's a good conversation piece saying that you made it, and it's really easy to make, don't you think? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed making our patriotic tray. It's a great decor for your outside barbecue for Independence Day. My name is Evelyn Marroquin, and I'm with the Recreation Parks Department, and I'll see you next time.